Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together two lipsticks side by side, one high-end and one from the drugstore. I have recently tried the This Is Me lipsticks by Essence and these are the new lipsticks that they have released. I like the creamy formula a lot and I was very curious to see how they can compare to a more expensive product. So I decided also to get another high-end lipstick. As you have seen from the title, this is a MAC lipstick. Some of the most popular products that MAC Cosmetics has are the lipsticks, and for today's video I decided to get a matte lipstick. This is a formula that I have never tried by MAC Cosmetics. Let me know in the comments below what other products you would like to see in a makeup battle video. Some of you told me that you wanted to see also the new e.l.f. concealer and also the Makeup Revolution concealer. I have both of them, so most likely I'm going to do another concealer battle video. I have already exfoliated my lips with the lip balm by EOS in the tube form because this one is creamier than the egg form, and also I have used a kitchen paper paper that has a little bit of texture and it is going to help with removing the dead skin on the lips. Let's talk a little bit about the lipsticks and after that I'm going to apply them on the lips. Side by side comparison today. You can find the matte lipsticks by MAC in 30 colors and I have the shade Instigator and there are 20 shades for the This Is Me lipstick, and here I have the shade 20 Unique. I wanted to try two lipsticks in a dark color today so we can see after a couple of hours with the wear test if they are fading, and we can actually see how they look on the lips. With nude or natural lipsticks we wouldn't be able to see which one is performing the best. It was not easy to find the same shade for the MAC lipstick, and I went in a MAC store with a napkin like this and a lot of swatches of This Is Me lipsticks on it, and I thought that they would throw me out, but one of the makeup artists there was very kind and she actually helped me to find this shade that is very similar to this one here. So let me show you the Instigator lipstick. We have this beautiful bullet lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. This is what we get with a lot of the lip products that they have. Packaging wise, this is more sleek and elegant, but it is also 21 euros and 50 cents for 3 grams of product. This one by Essence is 2 euros and 25 cents for 3.5 grams of product. So better price, more product, more expensive, less product. We're going to see which one wins at the end of the day because quality matters. The MAC lipstick is made in Canada and the Essence lipstick is made in Poland. The This Is Me lipsticks are cruelty-free and vegan, alcohol-free, oil-free and fat-free. The MAC lipsticks are not cruelty-free and this specific shade is not vegan because it contains carmine. I'm super excited! So let's see Instigator. Ooh, so pretty! New lipsticks are beautiful. Do we agree? I don't know about the texture. The This Is Me lipsticks are very creamy, not very long lasting, so I want to see how this one is. And this is the This Is Me lipstick in the shade Unique. It is used again because I have it for a while now. Color wise they are not exactly the same, but they are very similar. I had the Butter Gloss by NYX Cosmetics in the shade Glazy Days. Oh my god! Time for application! In case that I need a brush, I have this lip brush by Essence. On half of my lips I'm going to use the This Is Me lipstick. Wish me luck! I did my best. It's not easy to apply such a dark color, also only on half of the lips. My pet is back! The MAC lipstick has that very nice light vanilla scent, and the This Is Me lipstick has a very light sweet chemical scent. Both of them are very pleasant. Let's continue with the MAC lipstick. with the lip brush, I'm going to blend a little bit the edges because my application is not very precise with only the lipsticks. Especially with very dark lip colors like this, you need to outline the lips with the same color of lip pencil, and after that use the lipsticks. Today I don't want to use a lip pencil because it can make the lipsticks more long lasting, and I don't want to do that. I want to see how they work by themselves. No help today. I was not expecting that, but it looks like I have only one color on the lips. They look so similar on me. I love that. So I found a dupe. Yes! Yes! So what do you think about the color? I think it is very similar on both sides. About the formula, the MAC lipstick is less slippery than this one here, and it is more opaque in color. The This Is Me lipstick is a little bit patchier, that you can fix that with the lip pencil all over the lips as a base. You can also do that for the MAC lipstick. Both of the lipsticks are very creamy, very comfortable on the lips. I also think that they have the same sheen. Let's do the kiss proof test. Yeah, both of them are not transfer proof. Let's see how they are going to work after a few hours. And of course, with purple lipsticks, we have beautiful whiter teeth. Who doesn't want that? Hi guys, it's been 5 hours and let's see what happened with the lipsticks. As we can see, the color faded. I think this side here looks a little bit better. I lost more color on the inner part of this area. So both of the lipsticks are creamy and they are not transfer proof. I was expecting that. I think that they look better than what I was expecting, to be honest. I like that both of the lipsticks didn't bleed on the outline of my lips. That's nice. After 3 hours of the initial application, the lipsticks started getting drier and less shiny but not uncomfortable. Now I think that they are even drier. Let's see if they are transfer proof. They are still not transfer proof. Let's see if they are easy to reapply. It is also easy if you want to retouch with these lipsticks. Who do you think wins? Let me know in the comments, and also tell me if you want to see how you can make this lipstick long lasting. You can watch here all the colors of the This Is Me lipsticks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!